So I got some all white sneakers, the happy sneakers from Hermes, and I thought, since these are just regular white sneakers, why don't I judge them up a little bit? So I went onto Amazon and found the shoelace covers. Now, if you know me, you know I like a little sparkle, a little bling. So these shoelace covers have just that, some bling. Now, we're not gonna use the shoelaces that it comes with. I just wanna use the little covers, just to add a little sparkle, a little something to my sneakers. Plus, Hermes gives you laces and then gives you an extra pair of laces. So if for any reason these damage my laces, I have another pair just in case. So let's add them now. So here are my sneakers before. Again, they're just beautiful white happy sneakers. They're called happy sneakers. A little platform to it. That's why I got it. I like a little bit of height to my shoe. I know I'm already tall, 5'9" to be exact. But you know, sometimes you want to be a little like 5'10", 5'11". So we're gonna add a little zhuzh just to the laces and we'll see how it comes out. You gotta stay tuned. So we got the little shoelace covers that go on there, you know, a little blingy bling on there. Of course it's not real bling, you know, it's just rhinestones, but yeah, just some nice little cute rhinestones. I mean, it's from Amazon, what do you expect? And then they're like shoelace tips. I don't know if I'm gonna use this, we'll see what it looks like. I just really wanted the other ones. And then it has the shoelaces, which look kind of cheap, so we're gonna toss those because I already have shoelaces. Told you, shoelaces come with the shoes already, and then if by any chance it gets ruined or whatever, Hermes always gives a nice little backup. So let's put it on and see what happens. Okay, Amazon did it again. Yes, because I put on my, I don't know what they're called. I know one's like a shoelace cover and then like one's supposed to be like an automatic shoelace topping. I don't know, but they're cute. They're for your shoelaces, for your sneakers, whatever. And again, they're blinged out. And I wanted a little something, okay? Like I said, I got some plain white sneakers from Hermes. They're happy sneakers and they make me happy because they're comfortable, thankfully. And I just want to add something to them because again, they're just plain white. So I did a little bling and this is how it came out. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Now I have some other ones that were like to help with the shoelace, so you don't have to like actually tie the shoelaces. But when I was reading the instructions, it said you had to actually cut off the shoelaces and then like burn the edges so it doesn't fray. And I was like, I am not cutting these shoelaces because they're expensive to just add that. So I mean, maybe I'll do it with the spare shoelaces for my next pair of shoes because I got a few. But yeah, you're supposed to like cut this part off and then get your lighter or something, and then like once you cut it off, like fray the edges, but you gotta also measure it so you can put this on, this little piece on, if you can even see that. And then it like automatically fastens your shoelaces so you don't have to actually tie them, which is cute. Like I like the concept. Let me show you what it looks like. So this is like really cute, but in order to like fasten these onto your shoelaces, you have to like cut off the end of the shoelaces, which is I guess why they gave you shoelaces, so you don't have to actually cut your shoelaces. But I don't want to do all that. But I can say that I love the end result. That is one thing that I love about Amazon. You can always find cutesy little things to like just enhance the things that you already own, whether it's, you know, your bag or your shoes. Like that is just a little touch of bling is all I needed. I didn't add anything really crazy. They have other styles, like I saw hearts, I've seen zigzags, you can add pearls, You can add so many different things. They come in like silver, gold. I do have to say, for the gold, when you get it, it's actually more like rose gold. It's not really like a nice yellow gold, so that's the only thing. But the silver ones came out beautiful. Oh, I love it. Yes, I love that. I love the little sparkle it gives it. Again, it just gives it a little something to my Hermes happy sneakers. Who doesn't like a little bling? This girl does. And I added it to my shoes. There you go. I love it. Oh, now I gotta go do all my other shoes that I bought these shoelace covers for. But yeah, let me know what you think about my little project, and I will link it below in case you're interested to add some bling decor to your shoes.